You've watched how people are making $500 to $1,000 online. You've seen the stories. You learned how to build your product and get traffic. But now the real question is, how do you actually turn that into $5,000 in the next 90 days without getting stuck, overwhelmed, or quitting halfway through? That's what this video is all about. When I first started, I didn't need another course. I needed a plan and someone to hold me accountable, because the truth is, information isn't what gets you paid, execution does. And when I was broke, jobless, and literally working from Burger King using their Wi-Fi, what I really needed was someone to say, here's what to do today, here's how to do it, and here's what to do next. That's exactly what I built the 90 days to 5K sprint to be. It's not a course you watch and then forget. It's a done with you, step-by-step program that walks you through everything I do if I was starting over today, with all the new tools and technology that make it easier than ever. Here's how it works. It's broken down into 3 simple phases. Phase 1 is where you build your foundation. This is going to be the first week, so days 1 through 7. We're going to lock in your niche, help you find your digital product idea, and set up your System.io funnel. You'll have something real, a working system that can collect leads and make sales while you sleep. Then there's phase 2, where we're going to build traffic and your audience. You'll learn how to post content that builds trust and brings in leads using YouTube, Threads, and even Facebook, but whatever you need. You'll even learn how to use AI like ChatGPT to speed up your content creation so you don't burn out. And then there's phase 3, where we're going to scale and profit. Once you've made your first sale, we'll help you repeat it and scale it. I'm going to help you track your numbers, tweak your funnel, and show you how to hit 1K, 2.5K, and finally $5,000. Every day you'll know exactly what to do. No confusion, no guessing. It's like having me sitting beside you saying, here's the next step, and let's do it together. This same system has already worked for people who started exactly where you are. Like I said, Anita made $310 in 5 days. George made his first sale within a week. Edgar's hit $1,210 and grew 553 leads in 31 days. None of them had huge followings. None of them had fancy websites. They just followed the plan, one day at a time, and took action. When you join the sprint, here's what you're going to get. A full 90-day, step-by-step roadmap with no guesswork. Done with you templates. This includes funnel scripts and even prompts for like ChatGPT. Daily tasks so you always know what to do next. Accountability check-ins with me and a community that's going to support you. Also, you're going to get coaching-style guidance directly from me and my team. This isn't something you do alone. You'll have structure, support, and momentum every step of the way. And my guarantee still stands. If you go through the entire program, do the work, and you don't make a single sale, I'll refund you every single penny. You can even get started with a payment plan that I created, so there's no excuses for you not to start. Here's the deal. Whether it's Trump, Biden, or whoever's in office next, the economy is going to keep changing. Jobs, paychecks, and benefits, they'll always be unstable. But your skills, your systems, your digital assets, those stay with you. So don't just take another course. Build a system with accountability, community, and results baked in. That's what this 90 days to 5K sprint gives you. So click the link below, join now, and let's make the next 90 days the turning point in your story. Because when you commit to this, I promise you'll never look at income the same way again. Stay blessed, everyone.